Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. You can guess what we're about to do today. We're gonna dye my hair a different fun color. It's going to be very easy and straightforward. The color that we're gonna be doing today is this shade right here. It is beautiful. The Joico Color Intensity Semi-Permanent in Mermaid Blue, heavily diluted in conditioner. If you've been watching my videos and maybe forgot to subscribe, make sure to click the button and notification bell. I've been posting videos weekly and I cover beauty, lifestyle, and DIY. So welcome to the community. Let's go ahead and get started with this color. If you are wondering why my hair is this white, this is all pre-lightened hair. I did my roots as I told you guys I was going to do, and then I took the leftover bleach and did a very diluted bleach wash with shampoo. I lathered in the shower with the bleach wash and it just took about 5 minutes to release the color, so that is what happened here. So I'm dividing it in 4 sections just like I would do for any type of color. You may or may not have noticed my hair is shorter. I did not film the process because my husband cut my hair. I didn't want to put him on the spot. I will link the video that I use down below. It's an Instagram video, very short. This is like a blunt cut, so it's pretty simple to achieve, especially if you have someone helping you, because there's really no layering to the back at all. Just like a blunt, longish bob. So going over what you would need to do this color: a tinting brush, a mixing bowl. I'm gonna be using 2 bowls. I have my hair color mixture right here, and I'm gonna do a slightly darker shade for my roots. You're gonna need a conditioner of your choice to dilute the color. I have the Suave Essentials Tropical Coconut, and I'm going to add a little bit of my Shea Moisture Manuka Honey Intensive Hydration Mask just to add a deep conditioning element. And then of course your color, I'm using the Joico Color Intensity in Semi-Permanent Mermaid Blue. Also optional, my hair is currently toned with semi-permanent color. My roots lightened to like a banana light shade, but they were still pretty yellow. So I used the Pravana Vivid Silver diluted in conditioner. You can be pretty generous with this if you're toning, because this color is not very bright. It's not going to be very dark. Left it on for 15 minutes and then rinsed it off, and it worked really well to neutralize the root area. First thing I'm going to do is I'm taking my Shea Moisture Manuka Honey Mask. Then I'm going to take my Suave conditioner. Now I'm taking the Joico color and I'll add about that much. I can add more later if I need to. I just kind of want to eyeball it to the shade that I need. So we're all gloved up now and I have my mixtures. I'm going to do both colors at once. So I'll just apply this one at the root and then blend this one out with my gloved hand. I just applied a little bit on one piece and I can't really tell the difference between the root color, so I'm going to add a little more of the Joico Mermaid Blue. I'm gonna make a new batch for the root mixture for this front section, and then I'm gonna make a little extra so I can go over the back area to make it a little darker. I'm gonna cover this and I'll leave it on for as long as I can, about an hour, hour and a half. Rinse it off, style my hair, and I'll be right back to show you the results. So here is the finished result. I absolutely love the color. You see some green peeking through because it's a mermaid color. I'm gonna turn so you guys can see the back. I decided to straighten my hair today. I don't do it often, but since I got the haircut, I wanted to make sure that everything was even. If you have any questions either about the haircut or the color, feel free to leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found it helpful, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.